Carvana is a fast-growing online-only used car dealership in the US. You've likely seen their ads on TV or online. They do have physical pickup locations, which they refer to as vending machines, where some customers can pick up their car purchase at a physical location, instead of it being delivered to them. Carvana essentially wants to convert the entire car buying, financing, and selling process to one that is done fully online, similar to how people purchase goods on a site like Amazon. This video will focus on selling your car to Carvana. Let's begin by clicking on Sell Trade on the home page. Here we are given the option to enter in the plate and state, or VIN number. We are going to enter the VIN of the car we want to sell to Carvana. Then click Get My Offer. After we enter in the VIN, make sure the year, make and model of the car is correct. Then we have to go through a quick 3-step process before receiving our Carvana offer. First, enter in the mileage, zip code, and confirm the color of the vehicle. Transmission, drivetrain, and engine should already be filled in according to your VIN number. Since we are selling our car only, we will select the Sell box and choose whether it has a loan, is leased, or is owned outright with no liens, and then hit Next. Here we will go down the list and enter in the car's features. When done, hit Next. Finally, confirm the vehicle's condition and history. Remember, Carvana will likely reference a Carfax or AutoCheck report, so do not avoid including your car's relevant history here, or it could complicate the amount you receive versus the estimate given. When you have filled in all the necessary information and are ready to move on, click Submit. Carvana will instantly provide you with an offer that expires in a few weeks. It will also email the offer to the address you previously entered in. This video will focus on selling a car to Carvana, so we won't be overviewing the steps involved in trading in your car to Carvana to buy another car listed on their site, but that process does follow similar steps to this video. Take notice that this offer screen does mention the potential sales tax savings by trading in a car to buy a car on Carvana. Note though, this is not something unique to Carvana. This would apply to all dealerships. At the bottom of the offer screen, you'll see a quick explanation of how your offer was calculated. In this case, the offer is higher than the Kelley Blue Book value due to several reasons, including the vehicle having no accidents, 2+ keys, and premium options. Below that, it also overviews next steps, which includes verifying the details of your car, scheduling a pickup, and making arrangements so you can get paid for your car. Let's return to the top of the offer screen. First, note that the offer expires between 2 to 3 weeks after it is initially made. Next, click Save and Continue. After filling out the relevant details, click Create My Account. Before starting this section, make sure to have the following: a close-up and clear picture of the vehicle's odometer, a clear and colored copy of the front and back of the vehicle's title. If you need help requesting a copy of your title, please refer to our Ordering a Vehicle's Title Online in New York video. Thirdly, a clear picture of the front and back of the vehicle owner's driver's license. When all the necessary documents are saved onto your computer, select the corresponding Upload button to upload each document under the Verify Ownership section. Here we will be uploading a copy of the front side of the title. You will have to upload a copy of the back of the title also, so click the Upload Document button to continue on through the process. After all necessary documents have been uploaded, you can close out the window. Click on the drop-down arrow, and you will be able to review all the documents that you have uploaded before continuing on. If you still have a loan and lien on your vehicle, Carvana will likely ask for auto loan payoff documentation that your auto lender should make readily available to you on an online customer portal. If you need help finding this loan payoff documentation, feel free to reach out to us at info@automarketplace.com. Once you've submitted all the documents, Carvana will reach out in a few days after reviewing your documents that have been uploaded. If you have any questions while you wait to hear back from Carvana, when logged into your Carvana account, in the bottom right-hand corner you can open a chat box. We opened this to communicate on where the process stood, and if we needed to submit anything else. After Carvana has verified the vehicle's documentation, you will add in your payment details. We are given the option of an electronic deposit, often known as ACH, or the option of being handed a printed check when the vehicle is picked up. We chose the ACH option in this example. Enter in your relevant bank details and click Next. On the next screen they will ask you for your personal details, including the last 4 digits of your social security number, and then ask you to upload a color copy of your driver's license. After you've selected and confirmed your payment details, it's time to schedule your appointment. First enter your zip code and then click Next. Here you are presented with the options to either have Carvana pick up your vehicle at an address you confirm or meet them at a central location. Note that it says, appointments generally take about 15 minutes. If you choose to have Carvana pick up from an address that you provide, on the next screen, you will fill in the details of your designated address. Then select Next. Reconfirm that the pickup address is correct. And note that they briefly explain how the touchless pickup works. A flatbed truck will show up to the designated pickup location. The Carvana representative will perform a walk around to confirm the vehicle's details, and you will sign some paperwork. Click Next when ready to proceed. This is where you will schedule the date and time of your pickup. After making your selection, hit the Next button. Lastly, reconfirm your appointment details here, and then enter your mobile number to be sure the driver can reach out to you. When ready, select Schedule Pickup. Next you will see a confirmation page, and you will also receive confirmation emails as well. Make sure to read through this confirmation page thoroughly to understand and prepare on what to do next. Remember, the person who shows up to the Carvana appointment must be the listed owner on the vehicle's title, and you will need to show proper identification. Also, you'll want to empty out all personal belongings from the vehicle, and you will need to remove the license plates at the time of your scheduled appointment. Carvana provides a phone number if you need to reach out to them for further assistance. If you need to reschedule or cancel your appointment, those options are provided for you. Further down at the bottom of the page, you will find some answers to frequently asked questions, and also a chat option. Based on our experience, the Carvana representative showed up exactly on time, did a simple inspection of the car, had all the paperwork ready for us to sign, and then loaded the car onto a Carvana-branded flatbed truck. From beginning to end, the process was about 10 to 15 minutes. and the payment was deposited into our bank account the following day. Our overall experience with Carvana was very positive, and as long as you are getting a good price for your car, we think it's an option worth considering if you're interested in selling your car. We hope you found the video helpful, and as always, let us know any questions you have in the comments section below, or reach out to us directly at info@automarketplace.com.